Hi, welcome back students. Today's section I am going to discuss the parallelograms same base between the same parallel lines. So one theorem is there. So statement the parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels are equal in area. So here see here ABCD is a one parallelogram, another parallelogram EFCD is another parallelogram. These two parallelograms having a same base DC and between the two parallel lines AF and CD, right? So this much they given. We want to prove here to prove area of ABCD is equal to area of EFCD. These two parallelograms areas are equal. We want to prove here. So first write down given. Given here two parallelogram ABCD and EFCD same base DC and between the same parallels DC and AF, right? So this much they given. So here we want to prove these two parallelograms equal in area. So to prove area of ABCD is equal to area of EFCD, right? So this one we want to prove here. So proof. So see here, consider here two triangle A D E and B C F. Two triangle are there. So write down in a triangle A D E and a triangle B C F. Right. So in these two triangle, see here, these two angles are equal corresponding angles because AD is a parallel to BC because ABCD is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel. So AD is a parallel to BC. These two parallel means these two angles are equal, right? So angle DAE is equal to angle CBF. Reason corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. AD is parallel to PC. Is it clear? And similarly, so these two angles are equal because these two lines are parallel. EFCD is a parallelogram means ED is parallel to FC, right? So write down the angle AED is equal to angle BFC. So this is also corresponding angle ED parallel to FC, right? So in these two triangle, these two angles are equal means automatically third angle is equal by angle sum property. So write down the angle ADE is equal to angle BCF angle some property, right? And here AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC because opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram, right? So now these two triangles are congruent to each other. So write down. Therefore, the triangle ADE is congruent to the triangle BCF by ASA rule. Right? So these two triangles are congruent to each other means these two triangles are equal in their area. Already we know that the congruent figures are equal in areas, right? So we have the area of triangle ADE is equal to area of triangle BCF. So reason here, congruence triangle are equal in area, right? So these two triangles are equal in their area. So now area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of triangle AED plus area of quadrilateral EBCD. So sum of these two is sum of these two figure is area of parallelogram ABCD. So write down here area of triangle ADE plus EBCD, area of EBCD, right? And now already we proved here area of triangle ADE is equal to BCF. So instead of ADE we can write area of triangle BCF plus area of EBCD as it is. So here call this equation 1 and write down by equation 1. Is it clear? So now write down area of ABCD is equal to, make sum of these two. Which one? BCF, this triangle, plus EBCD. So sum of these two, it means area of EFCD. So write down area of EFCD. Hence proved. Is it clear? So here the parallelograms same base and between the same parallel lines means their areas are equal. Is it clear? So well students, the next theorem, the statement is if a triangle and a parallelogram are same base and between the same parallels, then the area of triangle is equal to the half of area of a parallelogram, right? So here they given one parallelogram ABCD is a parallelogram and another triangle ABP is a triangle. So here one parallelogram and one triangle, they have a same base AB and between the parallels PC parallel to BD. So they are between the two parallels. So here we want to prove the area of ABP is equal to half of area of ABCD. Is it clear? So first write down given. A triangle ABP and parallelogram ABCD are on the same base AB and between parallels AB and PC. Is it clear? So to prove, so here we want to prove area of triangle ABP is equal to half of area of ABCD, right? Area of triangle ABP is equal to half of area of ABCD. Is it clear? So here we want to make a construction. So here draw one line. So give a name Q. So construction here. Draw BQ is parallel to AP to obtain another parallelogram ABQP. So here framed another parallelogram ABQP, right? So next proof. So see here, ABCD is a parallelogram and ABQP is a parallelogram. These two parallelogram on a same base and between the same parallels AB to CB. So it means these two parallelogram areas are equal. So write down here, area of ABCD is equal to area of ABQP. So already previous theorem we proved this one, right? So by theorem. So you have to write here the theorem statement here, right? And now consider, in a parallelogram ABQP. So in this parallelogram two triangle are there, ABP and BPQ, right? So these two triangle are congruent to the each other because in a parallelogram the diagonal PD is divides into two congruent triangle. So write down here, the triangle ABP is congruent to the triangle BQP. Reason, diagonal PB divides a parallelogram ABQP in two congruent triangles, right? So here these two triangles are congruent to the each other. Already we proved this one in a quadrilateral first exercise, right? So, and we know that the congruent figures are equal in their areas. So write down here the area of triangle ABP is equal to area of triangle BQP. So now here area of triangle ABP is equal to half of area of ABQP, because area of triangle ABC is equal to half of ABQP, because parallelogram divides into two congruent triangles. So this triangle is equal to half of the parallelogram. Is it clear? So now call this equation 1 and this 2. So from equation 1 and 2, here ABQP, instead of ABQP you can write ABCD, because these two are the equal. So write down here from equation 1 and 2, area of triangle ABP, so this one as it is equal to half of area ABQP. Instead of ABQP we can write ABCD, because these two parallelograms same in their area, because they are in a same base between a same parallels. So write down here ABCD. So hence proved. So it theorem states that if the triangle and a parallelograms are same base and between the same parallel, means the area of triangle is equal to the half of area of parallelogram. Is it clear? See here. So area of triangle ABP is equal to half of area of ABCD. Is it clear?